shot.
Your head's not. Your head's completely out.
Right, so today what we have to do is we have to get this rear window out. So to take it out, what we have to do, it's not stuck in with any glue or anything like that, it's just, this is wedged in, and when it's taken out it will release the seal. But there's two things holding in the wedge on either side, so I'm going to try and take them out with this knife. Suppose if you move in for a close-up,
How do I do that?
just move the camera.
The whole tripod?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay.
So the things were quite stuck in there, and it didn't want to come, so it had to. It broke itself a little bit, so we will have to buy new ones of these, because they're quite stuck in there. And that is that out. Okay, so onto the other side. So what I have to do to get this out is I have to use the small blade to get underneath, and then I have this other tool here, and this one here, to pry it out. But the blade just gets it started. Okay, thanks man. I know when I'm blocking the camera. The way these are designed is they have these ridges so they can't come back out, so you're probably not going to get them out without breaking them. Nicely. And stay close to the point of where it's coming out. Yeah, this one's coming out really nicely. So, hopefully we will have no problems with this. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to get this out. So, because this seal is broken, I'm just going to run along the edge of it to just unbind it from the window. So I just unbind it from the window. So, what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to be on the inside and try and push it out. And once it pops out, if you can just pop your hands in behind it, but don't force anything. Don't pull it. Okay?
It's going. It's nearly there.
You can try and pull that rubber. Clips there for the heat. So we're just gonna pull them off before taking the window off. And up. Actually not up. And I've got my side out, your side's not clean, okay? Okay, got it? Okay. And that is the rear window out. So the front window is in the same way as the back, with just a wedge keeping it, except this time it's one in the center here that keeps the wedges covered. So I'm going to try this time to not break it again, but I think it's going to be the exact same as last time and be stuck underneath the wedge. Yeah, it's already bending, so I feel like it will inevitably break. But also I might, for the rear window, I might seal it in with some sort of proxy of some sort or glue, because you know it's only being kept in with this. If someone wanted to rob the car, they just pop one of these out and pull the seal and they're in. Just keeps breaking off little bits. Okay, I don't want to have to buy these things again. These are quite gooey, quite dirty actually. Okay, that is the wedge for the front window out. Right. Okay, I'm gonna have to get help to get this window out again.
Yeah, no, we thought it was aliens because it was going all around us and above our heads. But we couldn't see anything because it was complete clear night and you know, bright outside, but it's very strange. Yeah, well. Yeah. Okay, bye.
You just run your fingers along that side in the front. No, just on the bottom, I've done there.
Is it just a bit?
Yeah. No.
I don't know. Look at that.
Okay, so the window is really stuck to the seal on the inside, so what I'm doing is holding the seal on the outside quite back and pushing up until I see there's and then is it out. There we go. So now for the seal in the front, and again I will go around and try and break it. Pass this to you. Put that upstairs.
Oh, would you like it with one of these?
Right. Get a bag for
Maybe
it.
the new one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it?
Yeah.
You hold this up for them? It's better to go from the other side, please. So go from the underside. There's three of them. They're labelled with the things on this one, this one, this.